talk a little bit about shot placement. All right, as you can see, the guy came in, he shot the guy, shot the aggressor went down. The aggressor came back after hitting the ground and went back at the victim. All right, when you're thinking about shot placement with a firearm, you gotta remember, what are you trying to do? You're trying to ventilate the aggressor so that they either lose enough blood that they stop fighting, you get a mobility or structural damage or mobility kill so they can't move, or you hit the off switch, right? And when you're thinking about placing these rounds, anything in the chest region is good, anything close to the heart is good, but these are generally not gonna be off switches. They're starting timers, but you're not gonna have off switches, and so you won't necessarily always get the exact change in behavior that you're looking for. Anything in the guts and the meat is gonna slow them down. The actual off switch is gonna be the brain stem at the top of the spine or any brain shot, but you gotta be careful because rounds can go around and zing around the scalp. So you're generally looking for this credit card area here to shut somebody off instantly, because what are we shooting for? We're shooting for a change in behavior. And until the behavior changes and the threat goes away, you gotta keep shooting, right? So another thing that happens when you're thinking about shot placement in a situation like this where you need someone to stop is that when they hit the ground, their blood pressure can go back up. And with a blade, it's not too big of an issue because they got to do a lot of work to like stab you. But with a firearm, they can lay down on the ground, they get a little bit more consciousness. They're already dead, but they can place some rounds and put some rounds inside you. And then you guys get to die together and hold hands as you go to Valhalla. So these are considerations for round placement. Another consideration when you're looking for mobility kills, one of the reasons we zip guys up from the spine, shooting center line, is because anything you hit below the spine has a tendency to be paralyzed. And then you get that mobility kill, you get that change of behavior that you want almost instantly. The pelvic girdle is another underrated, amazing place to fire those rounds. And then ultimately, if you want ammunition that has superpowers for self-defense, G9 ammo, no matter what they're wearing, it's gonna penetrate. Considerations, guys. Stay safe out there. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.